Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi A3, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings. Come on. Thank you. And from here we're going to scroll down all the way where you'll see System. Scroll down again and select Reset Options. Erase all data. This will present you with an info letting you know that by doing so you'll get rid of everything that is listed right here. So if you keep anything on your device that you like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, with that being said, we're going to select Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it right here. And then erase all data once more, which will now begin factory resetting your device. Now, this process will take several minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.